Welcome to this channel. Today I want to show you how to use starting condition in Extruded. When we say starting condition in Extruded, it is meaning that where we start for when we are going to extrude. For example, if you are looking on the screen, you see how Extruded. See the four function that we use for starting condition. Let's see. If you see in the screen, you see sketch plane, surface, face plane, vertex, and the offset. This is four function we use in Extruded for in starting condition. Now let's start to see how to use this function. Now let's open new. Select the front plane, sketch. Let's choose the polygon. Make dimensions from this edge to this line. Let's make 100 millimeters. Now make this line horizontal. You see, then go to the features extrude boss. The first one, sketch plane. This is sketch plane. When we extrude, let's make extrude for 50 millimeters. You see, when we take the front plane sketch, you see this one we extrude from the front plane. This is the sketch plane. We extrude from this plane. Yes, other function. Let's take an example. This is the second function. Let's take an example for this one. Let's take a sketch. This is up. Take line. To extrude cut. Let's use the flow. For front plane, let's add the plane. Let's add let's sketch for this plane. Let's use a control light for normal 2. Let's take center rectangle. Make a dimension. Yes, now we're going to extrude the boss. Now the second function is the surface or face and plane. Now when we choose this function for extrude boss, we see here, okay, select this face. When we select this face, you see how the extrude boss will be let's this is okay. You see this, however this plane, then when we selected this face, you see the shape that we get. Let's give the color for, see how to differentiate this. Okay, yes, this is the second function. Now for let's use edit. For vertex function, now you can choose any point for this. For this, when I say this one, it means that we are going to extrude from this point. Any point that we choose, it will be the reference. For example, let's change the vertex that we have selected, and then we choose here. You see. Now let's change the direction. For example, let's come here. You see, the mean that the reference, we are going to start from this point when we are going to extrude boss. Let's change another one to see how it will be. Let's select, no, that's not B. Yes, this is the vertex starting condition. When you click here, you see yeah, let's say okay. You see now the change of extrude boss. No, yes, the another one, let's change by the offset. Yes, offset, it is meaning that when we say offset, Here we can adjust the measurement. For example, let's take 10. When we see from the plane where we have drawn, there is the gap or the space. When we increase the measurement, you see. For this offset, you can change the direction. Direction you have, when you say this one, you see where the extrude boss will start from. When we increase the dimension, you see, you can increase the change. We see the change. You can change the dimension. You see where the extrude boss will be start from. Now, when you change the direction, it means that we can adjust from here. Let's make, okay, we see how to, you see our drawing, but we use different condition for starting. This is the function that we use in extrude boss. I think everyone understand to use this starting condition, but for many people they make confusion when you are going to extrude, but it is very easy. You can see all these function. It is very easy. Let's thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share, to like, and comment, and make subscribe. Thank you for today. Be ready for the next one.